Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to use the buy limit or sell limit on Binance and what it is used for. Now the limit function on Binance is used to buy or sell cryptos at very favorable price. So let us use Bitcoin for an example. So let's say you want to trade Bitcoin and you want to buy Bitcoin or sell Bitcoin. So let's click on buy if you want to buy Bitcoin. Now you can see the price of Bitcoin as at the time you are going to be buying. The price of Bitcoin is $27,079. Now let's say you want to buy Bitcoin at a lower price than this. You want to buy Bitcoin at, let's say, $26,500 or $26,000. Okay, and you want, anytime Bitcoin comes down to that price, it should buy for you. You make sure that the function is on limit and you come here to set it at $26,000. So you just come here, edit the price, and you put it $26,000. So the job of the limit function is to buy Bitcoin for you whenever the price of Bitcoin drops to $26,000. Now of course you can also use this plus function to increase the price the way you want, like this, and you can also use the minus function to decrease the price. And then if you want to buy, you just come here, you can drag it to 100%. If you drag it to 100%, it means you want to buy with all the USDT you have on your spot balance. If you drag it to 50%, it means you want to buy with all the USDT you have on your spot balance. So if you have USDT you want to buy with, this function here helps you to choose how much you want to spend in buying that Bitcoin. If you want to spend half of your money, you leave it at 50. If you want to spend 25%, you leave it at 25. If you want to spend another percent, which is not 25, 50, 75% and 100%, you want to spend 90%, you can leave it at 90. Okay, this is how you use it. So let's say I want to spend 100% to buy Bitcoin when the price of Bitcoin comes to $26,000. So I'm just going to click on buy BTC, and when you click on buy BTC, you can see that the price will be waiting for you. Okay, whenever the price of BTC comes down to $26,000, the buy function would immediately activate and you buy Bitcoin at a cheap price of $26,000. This is for those people who are looking to buy Bitcoin at a favorable price. Now you can use this for several other cryptos, not just Bitcoin. Now what about the sell function? If you want to sell Bitcoin at a favorable price using the sell limit, it is the opposite of the buy limit. So in this method, you just click on sell. Make sure you already have Bitcoin you want to sell. Now the price of Bitcoin in the market is currently $27,000, and you want to sell your Bitcoin higher than this. Let's say you want to sell at $28,000. You just go straight to the same method we used. Okay, just edit it and write $28,000. When you have written $28,000, you can now select this thing. If you want to sell all your Bitcoin, drag it all the way to the end. So you can drag it all the way to the end like this if you want to sell all your Bitcoin at $28,000. If you want to sell half of it, just like the way we have explained earlier, you sell all your Bitcoin or sell half of it, or a customized amount you want to sell. Now you click on sell BTC, and when you click on sell BTC, it's going to also create an order for you just like this, and it's automatically going to sell for you at a higher price. If you are not online, let's say you are busy or you are working or you are at a job or you are not just online with your phone, if you're a busy trader, this limit function helps you to sell and buy at favorable prices, or yes, at favorable prices. Now if in any way you change your mind, you don't want to buy again, you want to cancel, you can just come to this place and click on cancel. Okay, so when you click on cancel, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin and you change your mind, you don't want to buy, you want to buy Bitcoin at this favorable price, and you change your mind, you don't want to buy again, you can click on cancel, and immediately your order will be cancelled, and your USDT or whatever asset you want to buy with will be paid directly back to your sports wallet account. So this is exactly how to use the limit function apart from the limit function, there are other functions you can use, like the market function. The market function market function tells you that you can buy immediately at the market price. Now, if you want to buy immediately at the market price, you use the market function. Okay, with the market function, you can buy your BTC at exactly $27,000 as at that time. So that's exactly how you can buy or sell any asset using the market or limit function. You can buy any asset, not just the BTC. You can see Ethereum, Bit, Ripple, Arbitrum, many of them. You can use the limit function or the market function to buy. So this is a concise video that shows you how to use the limit and the market function. Now, you want to like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified on how to use these simple functions and make profit for yourself anytime you're trading. Have a wonderful day and see you on the next one.